Visme Forms allow you to create interactive forms and surveys for collecting data and feedback. Here's how to use them effectively. Sign into Visme. Log into your Visme account. If you're new, sign up for an account. Create a new project. Click Create New and select a project type, such as presentation or infographic, where you want to embed your form. Add the form. In the editor, click on Widgets in the left-hand toolbar. Select Forms and Surveys from the available options. Choose a pre-designed form template or start with a blank form. Customize your form. Add fields like text input, multiple choice, drop-downs, or checkboxes. Use drag-and-drop functionality to arrange form elements. Customize the design to match your project's theme by editing colors, fonts, and styles. Add interactivity. Enable submission actions, such as sending form data to an email or integrating with tools like Google Sheets. Publish and share. Embed your form into your project. Share it via a link or download the project as a PDF, web page, or other formats.